Good afternoon. My name is Phil Disselcohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the Palmheel Strike. And we're going to start by getting into a good front stance. So I got my left foot in front knee bent, back leg is straight. Okay, I'm going to keep it kind of wide and long. Okay, so we do the Palmheel. We like to set up by bringing the back hand up front like this, and the front hand's going to be at your waist. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold the hand to your waist and then point the fingers down like that. So you're doing a twist, like so, to set up. Okay, so when we actually do the strike, we're doing a twist the opposite direction. So just do this nice and slow. Okay, so as we're doing this, we're also retracting the other hand to your waist, your front hand. And we do this because it does help the strike. It makes it more powerful. It forces you to twist a little bit and making that strike a more powerful strike. Now remember, hand shape. You need to keep your fingers together and your thumb against your palm like this, okay? You don't want your fingers like this. You might catch it on something. So you want to keep your fingers tight and your thumb against your palm. Okay, so I'm going to do a few of these and slow. Okay, ready? And 1, and 2, and 3. So we're also focusing on striking with the palm, okay? We don't want to strike with our fingers, we want to strike with the palm. So when you're doing this without a target, you kind of want to pretend that you're striking a target, striking with the palm, okay? Like so. Okay, so now I'm going to have Mr. Booker come in and help me demonstrate this strike. And we're going to use a hand target. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get to a good front stance. Okay, so I'm going to chamber my front arm over to the side so I can come in close enough so I can hit the target. I don't want to have to lean into it. That's not what we want. We always want to end up with our back straight, okay? It's not a good position to be leaning into a strike because that exposes my head to whoever's trying to come at me. So I'm going to go slow at first. I'm just going to touch and push. Okay, now I'm going to strike a little bit harder. Now I want to do a little twist with it too to give it even more power. So, and one more time. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mr. Booker. Okay, so we remember when you do a palm strike, keep your fingers together nice and tight and your thumb against your palm. Okay, and you want to start with your striking hand at your waist, fingers pointed down. And as you twist, that kind of helps you keep that strike nice and straight and powerful. And that is the Palmheel Strike.